Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken balti from scratch. To make chicken balti you will need 3 tablespoons of oil, half a finely grated onion, half an onion chopped in big chunks, quarter of a green pepper chopped into chunks, quarter of a red pepper chopped into chunks, half a tomato sliced, quarter of a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of ginger grated or paste, half a teaspoon of garlic grated or paste, 3/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed powder or curry powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 3½ tablespoons of tomato paste mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 3 green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 6 pieces of meat, 3 tablespoons of balti paste, and 250 milliliters of water. Before you begin, as chili strength can alter vastly between manufacturers and age, I suggest you add a smaller amount than suggested. You can always add more if needed. Heat up the oil in a pan on medium heat and add the grated onions, frying until they are almost soft. Turn up the heat and add the onions, peppers and tomatoes, stirring occasionally, and cook for about 30 to 60 seconds. Add the salt, fenugreek leaves, garlic and ginger and stir in well. add the turmeric, curry powder, coriander, cumin, garam masala, and mix it well. It will form a fairly thick paste when it mixes with the oil. If it's too thick, add a dash of water. When the ingredients are all mixed in, add the tomato paste, chili powder, chilies and sugar and stir in. Add the meat, balti paste and water and cook until the oil separates, about 5 to 10 minutes. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.